Hello, I'm Will, the Cal Lab Manager here at Test4Less. What if I told you that one of the most important things in the electrical services industry isn't about actually selling you shiny new tools, but making sure that the ones that you have already work as intended. It's not glamorous, it's not flashy, but it is critical, because without accuracy, every reading you take could be wrong. That's where the calibration lab at Test4Less comes in. We built a dedicated in-house calibration lab with one goal in mind: to give tradespeople, contractors and businesses confidence that their tools meet the very highest of standards. So what does that actually mean? So UCAS, ISO 17025, it's actually the only government recognised accreditation body in the UK. So if your instrument is calibrated to UCAS, it's not just accurate, it's traceable, trusted and recognised across industries. That means fewer disputes on site, smoother audits and peace of mind. But it isn't just about the certificate. So here at Test4Less, we combine UCAS certification with a fast, efficient turnaround, ensuring that your items are back in your hands as quickly as possible. So what do we actually calibrate? We can calibrate pat testers, multifunction testers, thermal imagers and many more. But alongside that, we provide great customer service, something you guys can rely on. Test4Less, it's committed to trust, accuracy and most importantly, keeping your business moving. So book your calibration today on our online booking portal below.